Orange County specialist.
I'm Jennifer. I'm a realtor and part of Lady Tracy's team.
Today I want to show you a new listing in beautiful location in 60 Christamon. It's just 3 minutes. You can walk into the very famous Northwood Town Center. We have a lot of shoppings, restaurant, banker, and after school, especially the biggest famous Zion grocery. It's very convenient.
And it's got award-winning Northwood's High School. Let's go check it out.
This beautiful home features 2 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 4,000 square footage, and it's a corner lot, non-neighborhood front view. Also, we have a beautiful front patio and enjoy the life. This home lower HOA and no Mellos, and all the home is remodeled and upgrade. Let's check it out. The home is open floor plan, and we do a lot of upgrade. All the flooring upgraded to wood flooring, and also you can always painting like new, beautiful. We upgraded the kitchen, so brighter and modern. Also, we have a 2-car garage attached.
Second floor is all upgraded to wooden floor. Loft on the second floor is very convenient for office space. Master bedroom is upgraded with ceiling lights. It's got vaulted ceilings. It's got functional space that you can use for TV watching, relaxing, yoga, or an office space. The master bedroom looks out on the neighborhood.